Student, today we will discuss about the DNA extraction. As you know that this experiment is included in your class 12 syllabus. So first of all we will discuss that how you can extract the DNA from a simple tissue of plant. Okay, so now before studying this one, please we have to look inside the plant cell. Okay, so now student, as we know that plant cell has cell wall inside which the cell membrane is there and inside which the cytoplasm is there, and inside the cytoplasm the densely stained nucleus is suspended over there. Okay, now if you see the internal structure of this nucleus, so inside the nucleus we will see the X-like chromosome structures are there. Okay, so X-like chromosome structures are there, and inside which you will find the double helical DNA structures over there. Now this DNA we will see in this experiment. As you all know that we cannot see the DNA with the naked eyes. So it talks about the DNA double helical structure. We cannot see the DNA double helical structure with our naked eyes. So obviously we will see over here a cluster of the DNA molecules along with other histone proteins. The proteins, RNAs are also there. Okay, so student, in this experiment we will be taking the plant tissue as the banana. Okay, so why we are taking the banana? Because banana can be easily squashed. Okay, so it has a very soft covering, and the material which is present inside the banana can be easily squashed with the mere pressures. Okay, so for that reason we have chosen the banana, or we can also do this experiment with the help of the papaya, ripened papaya. Okay, so they can be easily squashable, so for that reason we are taking this. Okay, the next thing that we need is the salt and detergent. Now student, I think you will be surprised that what is the use of this salt and detergent in the DNA extraction. Okay, so now let me say you that as we have studied the structure of the cell, so the cell has a cell wall, and student, the cell wall of the plant is very much indestructible. Okay, so now if you want to see the DNA of the cell, so obviously you have to open this cell wall, means you have to destruct the cell wall. Okay, so for the destruction of the cell wall you need some of the enzymes which does the function of the lysine. Okay, so for that reason we are taking the detergent, because the detergent is means it is alkaline in nature, so it can easily degrade the cell wall which is present in the banana. And the salt will try to precipitate the higher molecular proteins and RNA. Okay, so that it means we can get the pure form of the DNA. Okay, so salt, detergent, they act as the lysine, means they provide the lysine property in the DNA extraction. And the fourth thing that we need is the water, obviously the distilled water. Okay, so and we also need the chilled ethanol. Okay, so we also need the chilled ethanol, which used to precipitate or to precipitate the higher molecular substances, and it helps in the flotation of the DNA molecule above the all other molecules. Okay, students, for this experiment we need the living cell or tissue. For this reason I have taken the banana over here. We also need the salt and the detergent, and also we need the chilled ethanol or the alcohol. Okay, so in this test tube, this is the chilled ethanol. Okay. So student, for this experiment, for the DNA extraction, we need this tissue, that is the banana over here, and we will keep this banana into this ziplock pouch. Okay, along with the banana we will also take some amount of the salt into it. Okay, student, just remember the salt and the detergent, they act as the lysine enzyme which helps in the degradation of the cell wall which is present in this tissue, that is in the banana. And now we will take the detergent. Okay. Now we will add some distilled water into it. Okay. And now we will lock this pouch and we will squash this thing. Okay, so we will now squash like this way. Okay. So we will give firm pressure onto it and we will squash it. Student, while applying the pressure, just keep in mind that you should not apply more pressure. Okay, so in this way what will happen, the cell wall will break, I know, but also it will damage the DNA, that is the genetic material. Okay, so you should give firm pressure onto it. Okay, okay, so that there is no clump of the banana tissues. Okay. So in this way our mixture of the tissue along with the detergent and the salt is prepared. Okay, so now we will make the filtrate of this mixture. Okay. So now student, we have covered the funnel with this filter paper. Okay, and this is the test tube inside which the filtrate will be collected. Okay, so now I will be pouring the mixture. This way the whole setup will be looking like. Okay, so we will keep this experiment, we'll keep this setup for some time and we will allow the filtrate to settle down at the bottom of the test tube. Okay. After adding chilled ethanol, you will find that some fine threads are appear inside the test tube.